Students, so we will discuss from the 2013 question paper from 10 marks. Okay, so one problem I will discuss with you. Okay, so here draw suitable control chart from the following data. So following data ಅಲ್ಲಿ control chart ಅನ್ನು prepare ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So sample numbers are given and number of defectives are given in the problem. So here they told which control chart you have to prepare. Yes, so when it is, I told you, when the number of defects is given in the problem, so that is you should have to understand that C chart is preparation. Okay, ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ C chart. Okay, so then we have to know about, we have to preparing from the C chart. So next we have to understand on the which base we have to prepare, if the standards are given and standards are not given. So here mu value is not given, so mu value is not given means standards are not given. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ mu value ಐತ್ರಿ, ಸೊ mu value ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ mu value ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ the standards are not given, correct. So on the basis of when the standards are not given, we have to solve here. So when the standards are not given, so what is your formulas are there? So that is, the control limit is C bar and upper control is C bar plus 3 root of C bar and lower control is C bar minus 3 root of C bar. Okay, so here first we want to be calculate for C bar here. So first we want C bar means we have to calculate from the C bar. So we have to be calculation from the C bar. So C bar ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, sample numbers. Okay, so the sample numbers and number of defectives. Sample numbers are given, so then the number of defect is also given in the problem. So sample numbers, that is we can call as an K values. The number of defectives, this is we can denoted as a C. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು C ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this number of defectives you can make it here, then C column you can make it total, so that is a summation C. So summation C ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is a 45. Yes, so here sample numbers, that is we can call as an K, and number of defect, this is a C, so this is a total column you can call as summation C, that is a 45. Then we can calculate from the C bar. So C bar is equal to total number of defects divided by unit inspected. So total number of defects means C column, so that is summation C divided by K. So what is the summation C here? So summation C ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ್ರಿ, so it will be 45. Okay, then K value in the given in the problem, that is a 10, so that is a C bar should be 4.5. Okay, so next you can come from the control limits here. So that is a CL is equal to C bar. So C bar is 4.5. So C bar is 4.5, correct. So here C bar is we are calculated, so that is 4.5. Then upper control is, that is C bar plus 3 root of C bar. Okay, so here C bar it is how much, that is 4.5. so C bar is 4.5 plus 3 root of 4.5. Okay, then 4.5 same, it is 3, then root of 4.5 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೀ, 2.1213. then next is 4.5 plus 3 into 2.1213, so make it multiply of this, so that is 6.3639. okay, then addition of these two, so ಇವನ್ನೆರಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, it will be 10.8639. okay, so that is your upper control limit. So then come from the lower control in the same, then LCL, that is lower control limit is C bar minus 3 root of C bar. So C bar is 4.5, then minus 3, then C bar root is 4.5. So next is 4.5 minus 3 you can take into 4.5 root tagare 2.1213. So next is 4.5 minus 3 into 2.1213, so make it a multiply. So ಎರಡು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸೊ 6 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 4.5 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಮೈನಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1.8639. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದು ಲೋವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ 0 ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, so this is a limits we have to calculate when the standards are not given. First we have to calculate from the C bar. So then C bar calculation means you want to summation C and divided by K. Yes, the summation C means number of defectives column we can make it total. So number of defective column ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ total ಮಾಡಿ summation c ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Then the k value as given from the 10 here. Yes. So next is we have to prepare from the C chart here. So preparation of the C chart, we have to draw from the y axis. So y axis I taken from the number of defects, then y axis is I taken from the sample number. So sample numbers are given in the problem, that is 1 to 10. Okay, so I taken from the sample number, that is 1 to 10 here. Then number of defects, how I can taken here. So in the number of defects column, which is a maximum, that is a maximum should be 10. So maximum 10 ಇದೆ. Then upper control estate nodri 10.8 means 11. Yes, so I taken the 12 here. So that is 2 4 6 8 and maximum is, that is I taken from the 12. Okay, so then the center line is 4.5 in the problem. So that is we have to show from the 4.5 for, that is the center line, correct. Then upper control is 10.86 or maybe 10.8. So that is the upper control is, that is 10.8. Yes. Then lower control is, that is a 0. It is coming from the minus, means we have to treat it as a 0. Yes. So it is a o axis, that is LCL, that is a lower control, means 0 it is consideration here there. So that is I taken from the 0 here. Okay, so then in the limits we have to draw in the chart. Okay, next we have to points which are drawn here. So points means how many number of defects are there in the problem. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ number of defects ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you should have to show from the chart here. Okay, so that is the first one is a 6, that is first one 6, then second one is 2, then third one is 2, then fourth one is 10. So it is a fourth one is 10. Then fifth one is 4. So that is a fifth one is 4. Yes. So like this, these whatever the number of defects are there, that is we have to show from the chart here. Okay, so these number of defects we have to show from the chart. Okay, so that next we have to be pointing the all the points. Then you can join from the free hand curve. So ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. So when you have to join the curves, then you have to know about any points are beyond the upper control or maybe lower control. So lower control ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು upper control ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಲೋವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಲೋವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಯಾವುದೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ನಡುವೆ ಏನಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಲೋವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ out of control. So here the points within the upper control and lower control, so that is a we can call as an the process is within the control. Okay, so this is a question paper problem I solved here. So the same problems will be asking from the examination. Be careful if the mu value is given in the problem or not given in the problem, and number of defects are there or maybe number of defectives. Number of defectives idu andre C chart agangilri, number of defects idre matra C chart agutte. Okay, so like this problem you can see. Okay, and if the mu value is given in the problem, and in the be concentrate, if the mu value is given in the problem, that is standards are given. Mu is not given in the problem means standards are not given. So like this problem should be asked from the examination. Okay, so you can prepare from very well. Okay, thank you.